Good day YouTubies, kit bashers and scratch builders. My name is Paul and welcome to my channel. Now if you've already subscribed or you've already seen my 2 or 3 previous videos since I only started about 2 weeks ago, then you'll know that this is the 3rd installment and probably the final one of this series. If you are new to the channel and you haven't seen me before, then go and watch the other ones. You don't just pick a book up and start reading in the middle. You have to go to the start. You have to go to the start, see what it's all about. But anyway, thanks for stopping by. So the 3rd in the series of my Tupperwares, I'll give you a quick preview, is the artillery anti-air. Made with the small plastic Tupperware boxes, as I mentioned, seen in the previous videos. Held off making this one till last because I wanted to use my most favorite pieces that I have, my piece de resistance that I had saved up in the background. Probably overinflated it, and anyway, it was a long haul video with this one getting there, but I got there in the end. I got somewhere in the end. As usual, I'm not really happy with the paint job. I was definitely lacking on a lot of greeblies. But since then, yesterday I picked up 4 used DVD players and VHS players, so I'm looking forward to stripping them down and getting all the magical parts out of them. It's going to be like Christmas has come early. Anyway, as the saying goes, please pay attention, please stick till the end. If you want, give me a subscribe. Let me see if I can get to 1 million subscribers in 1 week. That'd be awesome. So without further much ado about nothing, let's go and scratch my junk. Right folks, good morning to you. Welcome back to my organised chaos. I realised last time that my video was maybe running on and on and on, so I'm trying to address that. I'm not Scottish. So here we are with the 3rd of my Tupperware inspired pieces. If you've been watching my other videos, here's the urban pacifier, obviously made using the same box, and to back that up, an air superiority vehicle. And the 3rd one, which is this one, is going to be an artillery. This will be something that will be at the back of the battlefield, well out of sight. It will serve as communications, ordnance, supplies, and basically what I want to do, I've got this mince box which I hope is going to make a hellish silo. I've got these Poundland pens, thin end, the other end is a not so thin end. Go back to the body. Now on the other models I've made, I've cut these lips off, but for this one I'm going to leave them on. Now one might argue to not make it too symmetrical, but at the same time, if this was ever attacked, you don't want all your fuel on one side, or do you? Because let's say you were being attacked from this side, this would be able to turn around. We're going to assume it would be able to turn around to move away, excuse me, not a camera over, to move away from the aggression. So I'm not really sure at the minute. This is the top of there's a pepper shaker. On maybe I'll use this bit on, that'd be hellish on the front of a ship, wouldn't it? Maybe on the front of a bottle. Something like that. So I'm going to keep that to one side for something else. But I got this off it. And this I will probably want to put there. Now on the other two that I've made, I used forgive me, I am so unorganized. There, these, which are, they're off a kitchen, maybe off kitchen units or kitchen drawers to hide. I think they clip on to hide the screws. So on the other vehicles, there's one there which is inverted actually. So this one is being put on that way, and then a bit of, this is off a skybox. So I just cut a bit of that up, stuck that on the front. On the air superiority piece, it's just on there polished. And this is supposed to be, acts like a sensor array, so it's built-in thermal and X-ray, and it's also an armored screen, so internally it'll be a digital screen. I'm definitely erring more towards this. I don't know. Let's see what I go with. Let me know in the comments below if you think I've made a mistake. Right, too much waffle. So that might be the screen. We have some barrels. I'd love to be able to come up with a mechanism. It's got a hellish click on that lid. I love that. But that'll drop down. It would either open up to reveal the silos, or it'll be the reverse and it'll drop down as an exhaust. I'm not really sure, but either way, I'd love to be able to build something so that it went on the back like that and kind of came up forward. But I might be overcomplicating this one, and I just need to. I think I probably just need to find a way to stick it on. Oh, I want to show you this. This, look at that. If that's not already like a railgun turret, something like that. Isn't that great? These are the bushes off the motor of my old washing machine. Anyway, what am I doing? Waffling on? I just waffle. Let me get on with that. Well, peeps, that was a bit of an extended break for me. I hummed and hawed. Sorry, I'll just show you what I've got so far. Anti-aircraft, or obviously, front and center. Dual sensors and windows, dual whatever, treble, maybe laser, infrared, X-ray, observation, circuitry, railgun, including, that's like a built-in radar. Silo, rocket pod, old mint, what's it called? Strong mint's case, and then just some pen tops, pen ends, cut down, stuck on, bit of detailing on the top. Anyway, this is what I've got so far. If I haven't mentioned, I can't remember if I did before, these are all basically hovercrafts. And that saves me around having to do any wheels at this moment in time. So I'm gonna continue adding some greeblies and bits and pieces of interest, and let's see what we come up with.